What we're doing here today is, obviously we have a lot of items that are still quarantined and we need to go through them and decide what we're going to do with them, or sell them, or recycle them for scrap. But the main issue we're dealing with today are these laptops. So what happened is we got these earlier actually last year, and we repaired all the structural damage, we repaired all the parts, they were virus locked, so we had to remove the virus keys, install operating system, and we tested all the batteries using software. The software, what it does, it reports the battery health with the data directly from the battery, and all of it was fine. It reported 100%, and we put it into our stock and we sold it to our customers. However, what happened later, the customers started reporting that batteries are not working. So we thought, okay, what's going on? We refunded, we got the laptops back for investigation, and we found out that even though the software from the battery reports battery health as 100%, some batteries are still not charging due to them just being old batteries. So we got everything out of our stock and we started testing on the laptops. So we found out that the same issue is with at least 50% of these laptops that we currently have in stock. So now the decision we have to make is, what do we do with the ones that have dead batteries? Do we invest more money and buy the batteries, invest our time to replace the batteries, put them back into stock and try to sell them again? Or do we just scrap the laptops for materials, for PCBs, for plastic, for components, and call it a day? And as these are not very expensive laptops, that's a very hard decision to make.